Hi, guys. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to post picture on Instagram. Watch the video till the end. It is easy. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if Instagram is updated. If not, click on Update and wait a couple of seconds. After that, go to Instagram. In the top right corner, click on this icon. Now you can see a new page. In this page you can choose the image that you want to post. In the down right corner, click on Post. Now choose the picture that you want to post. There is an option that you can zoom on a picture to certain detail and Instagram will automatically cut the picture. In the top right corner, click on Next button. Now you can choose filters that Instagram offers. I will choose Lark. Click Next. Now you can add caption, tag people, add location and music. I will add a short caption. Then click on the Share button. Now you can see that your picture is posted. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.